Alright, so update from about 5 seconds ago. She's smoking now. So that's a good sign. And this is actually clean smoke. I just don't have a spout to show you. So but there's the charcoal down there. I got two different kinds. One's lump. Yeah, this one's the cowboy stuff. Cowboy 100% natural lump charcoal, mixed hardwood, and it is too. And from this bag, same thing. There we go. So mixed hardwood, but I mean some of these pieces that are in here, man, they're freaking huge. So that's good. I mean, look at this. Look at that piece of coal. That's good. That's rich too. So, and then I've added my own wood in there. Can't really see it right now because it's kind of dark. I don't know. Oh, you can see the wood right there. So, yeah, slow and low, man. But yeah, there's the meat. So this is the hardest section. And as it comes around, gets to about here, I'll turn the meat around because this is my halfway point right here. There's my halfway point. I could never do this camera shit. Okay, so that's right there. This is halfway to grill, right here. This little line right here. So, all right, let's close her up and let her do her thing. There's really nothing else to do. What I'm gonna do is park my ass and tell you a little bit about what I did today. And I'm sorry, but I smoke. So, let me turn this around right there. Ooh, right now I probably got charcoal on my face. Whatever. But I turned 50 today. It's awesome. And I'm smoking wagyu. Australian wagyu. It's not American. It's not Keba. I don't know. That place in Japan where they actually have these cows. Yeah, there's a little X in the sky. Right through the cloud. Anyway. So, this is for my birthday bash tomorrow, this wagyu. I'm smoking it now because it's going to take until about probably 1 o'clock in the morning, maybe 2 o'clock in the morning. I started it at, hell, I don't even know what time it is, but it's whatever. But let me see if I can upload these and go from there.